In this video I will show you how you can start mining Ergo on SimpleMining. In previous video I have explained how you can start on Windows. In this video I will show you how to start on SimpleMining. First, you need wallet address. Wallet address, you can check the other video how to get wallet address, or you can get from some of the exchanges that supports Ergo coin. I will use in this video Ergo address from CoinEx. CoinEx do not need KYC verification, so if you want to register on CoinEx, you can find link in description of the video. One of the easiest way to start mining Ergo coin on SimpleMining is to go to hashrate.no website, and here you can find all the information for cards, settings and setup for miners. In this field here, miner option, you can set up your mining software. Click on this miner options, and the first step is to select your type of GPUs. In the step 2, you need to select coin you want to mine. For this video, we will select Ergo and click on this next step. In step 3, we need to select miner for our mining rigs. For Ergo, I will select LOL miner. In the step 4, you need to select pool where you want to start mining Ergo coin. I will leave like this 2 miners, but if you want, you may choose different pool like Crux pool, Enigma pool, Woolly pool, Wellsburg, Nano pool, any pool do you want. I will choose 2 miners and click on the next step. On this step, you need to select the pool location. You need to choose the nearest location. Where are you from? I am from Europe, so I will choose Europe and click on this button next step. Now you need to enter your wallet address for Ergo. When you enter your wallet address for Ergo, click next step. And we are done. Your miner options. For LOL mining in SimpleMining, we have prepared line, and if you want to try on the Windows, you can copy this. But as I said, we are setting up SimpleMining for mining Ergo, so copy this line, open your SimpleMining account, and from the left side go to the group config. From the right side you have add new group config, name your group, check this box where it says RAS and root, select miner program, here you can find LOL miner, choose the latest version of the miner, and in miner option field paste the line from hashrate.no. Copy this on this box, or you can select and copy. Copy this and paste here. Now save your new group config. Now you have prepared group config for mining Ergo. This was a simple and easy setup mining Ergo on SimpleMining. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.